Alright, what's up, everybody? So this is uh, another trading day. Um, so these are the X sectors. So I just wanted to show you what I'm looking at across my multiple screens. So my main screen, I'm looking at this is what I'm looking at, just ES S&P 500, and then this is my execution platform. I use TopStep, and then this is what I'm looking at on my iPad. You can't see, but to the right of me, these are the major sectors of the S&P 500. What you see right here in the top left, this is tech, this is financial, XLY, XLV, and then we'll touch on all those things as the trading session proceeds. All right, so today just waiting for a good setup, preferably like a break and retest. That's what I trade. So for a break and retest, I want to see us close like, for example, if we were to come up here to pre-market high, I would like to see us close above pre-market high on the 5 minute. Then I would drop down to the 1 minute, looking for a retest of that pre-market high level, which should pop up right here. Yep. Okay, I'm acting like y'all could see it because I have it on this screen right here. All right, so yeah, so looking for a 5 minute candle closure right there, and then drop down to the 1 minute and get a retest, right? And right now, for these next 2 weeks of trading, let me show you on the TopStep right here. On these next 2 weeks of trading, I'm just trying to focus on putting myself in a position where I could take more losses and still come out profitable. So I'm just looking to take 3-to-1 risk reward ratio trades. You know what I'm saying? So that's that. The market's open right now, and yeah. So, but I'm okay with not taking a trade today because I did have a good trade yesterday. So yeah, man, I'm not really seeing anything too much, but we'll get to everything. Yeah, we'll get to everything. Let me see, what does this button do? I'm still new to those streaming things. What does it do? Oh, okay, that's what that does. Okay, so if I wanted to blink it out, I could just press that. All right, that's cool. All right, so I didn't even check the economic calendar for today. Pull that up for y'all. Hold on, let me. Oh, hold on. Uh, um, hold on. I'll put the economic calendar in a few. But I don't think we got no news today. Not that I remember. Let me pull up the economic calendar. Pull up the economic calendar. Alright, so this is the economic calendar right here. So today we don't got no news for today. Alright, so that's alright, that's all good. But I'll put this right here so I can see my levels more clearly. So that's the 5 minute. And then, you know, I'm executing on TopStep X. Let me just pull, I'm trying to pull something up on my phone. Um, I just got my phone out right now, trying to pull something up. I'm trying to pull up the live on my phone so I could see what's going on. Alright, though, but nothing really happening for real right now. Oh, this is the live right here. Isn't that it? Yeah. Okay. I think I got the live right here. Okay, I got it right here. Oh shoot. I think it says one person's watching. So whoever's watching, engage. Engage. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Yeah. I'm coming. Oh, hold it. Ah. Come in the room. Put it right here.
I told you it was hot, man. I'm sorry.
Alright, you close the door.
Right now, I'm coming to give you a toast.
Alright.
Okay, Grandma.
I'm just watching this stream right now on the.
This one ain't hot.
Alright, you just put it on the bed.
Okay.
I close the door, please. Thank you.
Welcome.
God, please bless this food. And yeah, man. Amen. Yo, look at healthcare, yo. Look at these sectors. That's what holds us up. Everything is beast right now. The only thing that pulled down the S&P 500 on this first candle, I don't know if you can see it, was XLK. Let me see if I can show it to you guys. You see? Look at healthcare. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, I mean. Okay, that's what that does. Okay, so if I'm. Oh, hold on. Alright, so I didn't even check the economic calendar for today. Pull that up for ya. Hold on, let me. Oh, hold on. For today. Pull that up for ya. Hold on, let me. Oh, hold on. For today. Pull that up for ya. Hold on, let me. Oh, hold on. Hold on, I'll pull the economic calendar in a few. I don't think we got no news today, not that I remember. I was watching the stream on my phone, making sure everything was going smooth. Okay. So y'all see what's going on right now. There's some look at there's divergence in the XL sector. This is why we got this little ranging a little bit on the ES. Look at this. I'm gonna put up for y'all. Look at this. XLK is going down, but everything else is going up. Look at this. XLY, XLV, XLF going up, but XLK is going down. And XLK is like 30% of the SPY. I mean, the ES, the S&P 500, right? Yeah. Let me like this video. But yeah, so it's like okay, that doesn't say that on there. All right. So, yeah, so the ES is like 30% of the spot. I mean, what am I saying? Let me put it down. Okay, so look, XOK right here, XOK is like 30% of the S&P 500. XOF is like 14. XOY is like 10. XOV is like 9. So we could basically say 10, 20. We could basically say like 32, 33% of the S&P 500 is going up, and another 30% is going down. So you wouldn't want to take a trade because there's divergence, and especially since XLK is the powerhouse, you wouldn't want to trade right now since XLK is above. I mean, XLK is below pre-market low, below the opening range, below the 200 EMA, but everything else is just, you know what I mean? XLF is above the opening range, pre-market high. XLV is above the opening range and pre-market high and the 200 EMA. But since XLK is just going down strong, this is a key indication. Oh, thank you, Grandma. All right, thank you. What is it? Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. All right, we got some good eats right now for this trading session. You know what I mean? But all right. But look, this is an indication to not trade. And I'm about to show you guys. Let me just turn my screen off for 1 sec. 1 sec. It ain't going. Hold on. Hey, hold on. Where the heck did this thing go? Okay, I'm gonna turn on my screen for 1 second. I'm gonna pull up the sectors right here, the SP 500 sectors. All right, now y'all can see it right now. Look at this. Yeah, now this is crazy divergence. So look, see, this is what I'm talking about. So this is just so you know that what I was saying was a nonsense. See, XLF is 13%, XLV 8%. I don't look at anything else. So technically, I'm looking at 60% of the S&P 500. I don't look at materials or industrials. I don't look at all that. I have 4 charts. Maybe if I had a bigger screen, I'll probably look at more of them. But let's see, XLK 33. We passed XOY, XLK 10, XOY 10, and XOY 10. Where's XLV at? See, XLV 8%. So I mean, it kind of rotates. So as you can see, like communication service is a little bit bigger, the XLV. But I always been looking at XLV for a long time, so I just have it on my chart. I'm saying, but like, look at this one. I really don't look at this one. Hold on. There was one I was just looking at that looked. Was it this one? No, was it here? Was it this? It wasn't that. I think it was communication services. What else? Was it energy? I'm trying to think. Help me out, chat. I think it was industrials. Yeah, industrials 8, but like healthcare is still bigger than that. It's only bigger than it by like a little bit, not too much. But yeah, these are the sectors though, man. And the biggest is XLK. Then you have financials, which is I think it's right here. Financials. Then you have XLY. And then I would say XLC, but I really don't look at XLC. I look at XLV, even though XLC is bigger than XLV. You know, I guess I should be looking at that. But right here on this chart is everything I see. But look, this is key divergence. Like you don't want to trade this right now. Look, you see how XLK is going down and everything else is just going up strong. I've been in trades where I've entered trades when the market was like this and it reversed on me and I got stopped out. So, and then let me pull up the ES for y'all. So look, y'all saw what okay, hold on, let me just pull this up. Wait, hold on, because this thing is acting up right now. Alright, so y'all saw what the sectors are doing, divergence. Now look what the S&P 500 is doing, chop. You know what I'm saying? It's the 5 minute. Now look at the 1 minute, just in a range. Boom, boom. It's still in the 5. It's still in the first 5 minute opening range. So yeah, man, this is chop. This is not right now. These are not right now. These are not conditions to trade. You want to be patient and wait. But yeah. I'm looking at the stream off phone. Look, you see how XLK, look at XLV, even though XLC is bigger than XLV, you know, I guess I should be looking. Alright. Yeah, man, so that's pretty much it. So this is my screen that's on right now. Put this right here. Alright. Well, I'll just keep looking at I'll put this up right here. I have that already on the 5 minute. I'm looking at this on the 5 minutes. So I already have the sectors up here on my iPad. So I'll leave that there. But I'll let y'all look at the sectors too, because I'm probably not gonna take a trade right now or execute anything right now. So I'm probably not gonna do that right now. I'll let y'all just look at we'll just watch the sectors together while I eat this meal. It's a carb heavy meal, you know. I gotta go to the gym today. Put that work in. You know what I mean? Nah, bro. Look at this divergence. I'm not trading this, y'all. At least we know now that XLV is respecting this 4-hour demand zone. We don't know that XLV is respecting this 4-hour demand zone. I'm doing the 1-minute chart. Oh, dang, look at that. Dang. That would have been a good trade to enter in on. That, breaking and reach us to the 5-minute opening range. But I didn't. It's all good though. I just didn't want to put no risk on today. Especially because we're, by this level right here. I mean, because the market is diverging. I mean, we're starting to get some red right now in the sector, so we'll see how things play out. But now the market looks like it's going to drop now. Strong. Oh, yeah. I missed my trade. Dang, why is the market dropping like this so strong? Market's dropping strong right now. Okay, now we're getting some red across the board. Look at the sectors. And now we're getting some red. But still, oh, don't mind that. I'm not in a trade. I'm just trying to see, like, if I was to get into a trade, how would it have looked? Dang, if I would have gotten into a trade today, that would have been done, one and done quickly, bro. That's my alert. Look at these red candles, man, just dropping. Man, I missed that short, man. I should have been, when we broke that I should have took, man. It's all good though, man. It's all good. Dang. Look how the market dropping. Okay. Dang, this is crazy, bro. This is crazy. Dang, look at these red candles. This is insane. This is a demand zone, but we are at a demand zone. We could possibly begin to reverse. I don't know. I don't know if I want to take these longs right now. Look at this. Right to demand zone right now. Boom, boom, boom. I would say the best optimal entry right now. I would say the best place to possibly go long from would be right here. The 6-3-10 level. Because that was a level where we just kept rejecting. So I believe we could possibly sell off more today and touch the 6-3-10 level. But we're moving though. Excuse me. I want to go long from down here, man. That 6-3-10 level. That's where I want to go long from. Because I believe we have more room to push down today. Dang, I missed that drop, though. That's kind of annoying, man. Oh, my goodness. Alright, I'm coming. Let me just... take a sip of this water. Don't go nowhere, chat. Don't go nowhere, chat. I'm right here with it. I ain't go nowhere. I ain't go nowhere. I told you, bro. Oh, we got more room. I've experienced market conditions like this. I believe we're gonna keep dropping. Actually, it's July. A year ago from now, we was getting days like this. I remember last July getting some strong drops like this, man. Yeah, this is some good stuff. I'm telling you, the area to go long from is the 6310 level. It's probably the best optimal level to go long from. Yeah. I am tired, B. See, yeah, I knew we was gonna drop down a little bit more from where we were. Right here on this chart, everything I see. But look, this is key divergence. Like you don't want to trade this right now. Look, you see how XLK is going down and everything else is just going up strong. I've been in trades where I've entered trades when the market was like this and it reversed on me and I got stopped out. So and then let me pull up the ES for y'all. So look, y'all saw what y'all saw what okay, hold on, let me just pull this up. Wait, hold on. Because this thing is acting up right now. Okay, hold on, let me just pull this up. Wait, hold on. Because this thing is acting up right now. Alright, so y'all saw what the sectors are doing, divergence. Now look what the S&P 500 is doing, chop. You know what I'm saying? It's the 5 minute. Now look at the 1 minute, just in a range. Boom, boom. It's still in the it's still in the first 5 minute opening range. So yeah, man, this is chop. This is not right now. These are not conditions to trade. You want to be patient and wait. But yeah, I'm looking at the stream up on it. All right. Excuse me. All right. All right. Let's see what we got right here. I'm telling you, this 61035 level is a good level to be watching. 61035, 61025. What am I saying? But let me look at it from previous times. Yeah, I think this is a major key level. But right now we're at this demand zone and we're just demanding. Tired, yo. I'm not gonna lie. Dang, this trade, yo, this would have been the trade right here, man. If I was focusing, this right here would have been the trade. This, the break of this, and then this 1 minute candle. But one thing I did tell myself was I want to start waiting. Well, yeah, look, we broke it right here. I wanted to start waiting until we break a level and then drop down to 1 minute. But now, actually, this was my exact setup for today. I missed my setup for today, so I might just have to walk away from the day. Honestly. Look, this was the setup I should have took today. This was the setup I should have took today. As you guys know, I'm risking 3.75 points. So this would have been the setup targeting 11.25. That's a 3-hour trade right there. That would have been a good little bang bang. I could even target it like, I could have targeted even more, but I didn't. But you know, it's all good though. Dang, I'm tired, yo. Just got out of work, did an overnight shift, ate all them carbs. You know, those carbs, them things gonna put you to bed, yo. Dang, bro. Dang, man. I am tired, yo. Oh my gosh. Man. Dang man, the market moving. I missed that short today, bro. Yeah, you saw that drop? No. Yeah, I missed that drop on the spy. Yeah, like it happened in real time. If you look at the 1 minute chart, it was a perfect break and retest on the 1 minute. But I was eating food and just trying to break down the look at the market structure but there was huge divergence. So you saw the divergence at first. Mm, okay. No, I'm not in a trade. All right, all right, bye. Yeah, you saw that drop? No. No, I didn't. Did you? No. Did you? All right, I'm looking on. Yeah, man. I think I'm about to shut the live stream down. Ain't the market ain't doing nothing today, bro. Yeah, man. At one moment, there were two people watching. Shut the live stream down. Ain't the market ain't doing nothing today. Nah, bro, but it would have been nice if I would have caught this, but whatever. Cup of Joe. I'm tired, yo. I'm tired, yo. Drink this cup of Joe. Dang. Ah, man. Yeah, this is the boring part about trading. So, if anyone's watching, this is trading. You're kind of just sitting and waiting for your setup pretty much the whole time. So, pretty much just waiting for your setup the whole time. What? No way. Let's see. We're coming back to pre-market low. Could we retest pre-market low and go short from there? We could. That's not ideally what I want to go short from. What I ideally want to go short from the opening range. Dang, bro. Hold on, let me look at this. Because a trade setup might be presenting itself. Let's see. A trade setup could be presenting itself. We just gotta see how this respects. Yep, that was a good cup of Joe. Dang, bro.
Order filled.
I'm taking this sell right now. Dang, right when I got in. Instant reversal. I should have got in earlier. Yeah, I think I'm getting stopped out this trade. It was a bad entry on my part. I should have just got in on that price action candle. The first one up here. I should have got in right here. So I think I'm about to get stopped out, yeah.
Order filled.
Dang. Yeah, I got stopped out. So that was my loss for today. That was my trade. So my trade was basically this right here. I was going short on this 1 minute right here. I just think I mean it looks like we could keep it going lower. It's looking like we're gonna drop, but I just got a bad entry. I got in like right here. So since I got in right here, my stop loss, it hit my stop loss and stuff like that. So, but yeah. So basically, hit my stop loss. Dang, that sucks because But whatever. I shouldn't have hesitated. I wanted to get in right here, but I hesitated. I wanted to get in right here too. I hesitated again. I shouldn't have hesitated. Just because I hesitated. But now I know for future purposes, you know what I'm saying? But it's not that bad because this is my trade on the day. I only lost, compared to what I lost yesterday, this is like nothing. So, and with my risk management, I'm going for a 3-1. So, honestly, I could probably lose 2 more days in a row. And as long as I catch another green trade, I'll be back to where I was today. Or if I catch a green trade, I'll be ahead of where I was today. So that's the power of risk management and stuff like that. So, yeah. But this day right here, I traded with 2 ES contracts. I'm not going to trade with 2 ES contracts. I'm protecting my growth. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to trade with 1 ES contract. You know what I'm saying? So, but, yeah. But yeah, that's it. I mean, I'm going to end the stream now. There's nothing really left to go over.